Hi friends, in this session we are going to see various kinds of yield spread and also what does the yield spread means. So first let's see what does the yield spread means. Yield spread is the difference between the yields of two different bonds, okay, and it is expressed or quoted in basis point. Suppose, let's say for an example, a corporate bond is having a yield of 8% and which is benchmarked against government bond of yield 5%. Okay, so here the yield spread will be 800 minus 500, that is 300 basis point. Okay, so now let's go to the G spread, which is otherwise government spread. Suppose a corporate bond having 5-year maturity is benchmarked to a government bond having 5 years maturity. After 2 years, the corporate bond is again benchmarked to a 3-year maturity government bond, and the yield spread of the government bond over the 10-year is known as the G spread. Now let's go to the I spread or interpolated spread. Instead of taking government bond as the benchmark, if we consider the interest rate swap as the benchmark, then the yield spread received is called as the interpolated spread or I spread. Now let's go to see what is zero volatility spread. Like the main disadvantage of using G spread and the I spread is that theoretically they show a flat yield curve, whereas it is in actual it is always upward sloping. Like while calculating the yield, the spread yield spread, we consider the benchmark yield curve and to calculate the spot curve, the yield curve. Okay, and to arrive at that we add some equal amount to the benchmark spot rate. Okay, till we will till the benchmark spot rate will arrive at a rate which is equal to the market rate of the bond, and the yield spread received in this way is called as the zero volatility spread. Okay, and now let's go to see what is option adjusted spread. It is basically used for the embedded bonds, and the option adjusted in the option adjusted spread, the option yield component is taken out from the Z spread, and yes, the for a callable bond the Z spread amount will be higher than the option adjusted spread, and the option value will be equal to Z spread minus option adjusted spread. Okay, so that is all about the option adjusted spread. And yes, so guys, in the next session we will see another new chapter and concept, that is securitization, which is linked to bond itself mainly. So thank you very much for watching this video.